Hey y'all, in this video today I'm showing y'all how I set up a really quick backdrop that is really nice. I got this from Amazon, and also of course I'm showing you how I set up my lighting for my YouTube videos. So while I'm setting up this backdrop, I'll just say real quick, I used to use natural lighting. I used to actually sit in front of my window on my bed because that's where the best lighting was in the house. But I was like confined to doing videos in the daylight. And so I was like, I need to find a solution. And I was looking at ring lights and different lights, and then I came across these softbox lights, and I'm like, shoot, if this is what the photographers use, it's a good price, I can set this up in my own home, then why not? Have the best of the best, you know? It had the option to come with one, but I got the option that comes with two, and I'll link this down below also. And everything you see me unboxing here, the stand, the actual softbox lights themselves, the cover that goes over the softbox light, the huge light bulb, you'll see it, it's like the size of my head. So at first I also didn't know what this was, but it goes over the lighting, and you'll see me do that later on. It was really neat how everything came in its own little bag and package. So that way when you go to put it up in that bigger little carrying bag, everything is kept really neat and really safe. Yes, still struggling, but I got it. To stretch out the tripod and make it maneuver the way you want it to, you basically have to push the little leg through the brackets that it sits in, and then that way you can make it move. The tripod was truly sturdy too. There's a way you can spread it out and push it down so it can be as wide as you need it for whatever type of floor that you have. But this floor was carpet, and it really stayed even when the extra lighting and everything was set up at the top. To connect those, you literally just put it on and then twist that little knob on the side to make it tighter so that it'll stay, and then you can adjust it thereafter. And to put the light bulb in, you just kind of have to set it up in the center and then push down and screw it in. Here you have the ability to tighten it and hold it in place. So you can position it going upward, looking downward, looking straight ahead, and then you tighten it to where you want it to be. That's pretty much all there is to it. There's a little button where you can click on and off on the side, set it up to the height that you want it, put that little thing over the box, and you're all done. It was super easy, super quick, and I'm really happy with it. I definitely recommend. I didn't film too much in front of the light in this video. There's a small clip at the end where I show you what it looks like in front of the backdrop. However, if you want to see these lights in full action, check out the first video I did after buying these lights, and that is with the Senegalese twist. I'll post it in the cards and also link it below. The picture in the thumbnail is also from a video that I used these lights on, and I'll link that below as well. Thank y'all so much for watching. That is all there is to it. If y'all have any additional questions, please let me know down in the comment section. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you can catch all the new content coming to you. And I hope you guys have an amazing week. Okay, bye.